It's that time again. We have a new episode of Between Two Rides dropping this week on the eBay Motors YouTube channel. This time our special guest is Rich Rebuilds with his V8 swap Tesla, which was one of the coolest swap builds I had ever seen. I was really stoked to have Rich on this episode, and we decided to put his V8 swapped monster up against a stock Tesla in a challenge to see which vehicle would come out on top. We will be putting electric versus petrol power to the ultimate test. We had a lot of fun racing around Irwindale for this episode. Comment below who you think's gonna win in this race. Now, I was driving the V8 Tesla and Rich was behind the wheel of a stock Tesla. I even tried to do some drifting.
Hey, if it breaks, you told me to do it.
Yeah, I did.
Something wild is going on. Be sure to subscribe to the eBay Motors YouTube channel to see episode 4. So we have a quarter tank and a quarter battery. What do you say, we race them?